This is the Central Avenue elevator here at the
500 State Garage.
State Garage here in Knoxville, whatever.
Knoxville, Tennessee.
Knoxville, Tennessee. Go down to B2. Let's go to 6. It says elevator 1, even though this is elevator 5. This is a really weird garage too. Anyway, let's go down to B2. Let's go up to G, actually. Yeah, this is definitely added on. ThyssenKrupp. This is G. This is so odd. So this is the ADA elevator to this street. Just go to 6. You got a very nice elevator here. This is for the Tennessee elevators. But yeah, this thing is pretty interesting. We'll go down to 3. There's some view of the nice downtown. Anyway, this is Florida Gator. 3500. This might be Evolution 200. So yeah, this is an interesting garage. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.